Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central McCurtain County in southeastern Oklahoma until 12:45 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 12:20 a.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles east of Raymond Gary State Park, or 24 miles east of Hugo, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Idabel, Broken Bow, Wright City, Valiant, Millerton, Garvin, Farmers Hill, Hochatown, Mount Herman, Sherwood, Redland, Holly Creek, Glover, Slim, Oak Hill, and Golden. A tornado watch remains in effect until 3 a.m. Central Standard Time for southwestern Arkansas. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 3 a.m. Central Standard Time for southwestern Arkansas. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:45 a.m. Central Standard Time for the following county: McCurtain, Oklahoma.